If you don't know, my name is Paris, and a fun fact about me is the fact that I have always wanted a bunch of tattoos and piercings. Today, I mean, you already clicked on the video and you saw what the title is, but we are going to get some. I always wanted to get some, but I was always scared because my mom, but I'm an adult with adult money. So then I began doing research, and I found a place that's doing small tattoos, so I thought, like, look-y, why not? Another fact about me is the fact that I love anime. Specifically, when I was in the 7th grade, I started loving an anime called Nana. After watching Nana, it genuinely changed my life, changed my outlook on a lot of things. It genuinely changed my entire style. It really made me find my style and aesthetic. So ever since then, I have like a huge love for strawberries and Vivienne Westwood and punk fashion, even though I was into punk fashion before I watched Nana. So follow me as I go and get my strawberry tattoo and my special designed Vivienne Westwood tattoo. Full fit. I just got this jacket from Aeropostale, and then the shirt I've had for literally years. Flared jeans. I have my Vivienne Westwood, my belt from Hot Topic, my Vivienne Westwood orb necklace, my vintage Hello Kitty necklace, my other Vivienne Westwood pearl necklace. Here we go, fit check. Hey, let's go. Here's the agenda. Okay, first we're gonna get something to eat, and then we're gonna go get Minzy and Jaden. They're gonna come with me to get my tattoo because I need a friend. If I don't have a friend, I'll be very sad. I brought along, as a sweet treat, I brought Sprite and tag-alongs because they say you should bring a snack while you're in there. Even though I'm sure my tattoo will be really fucking short because it's like, you know, it's tiny. Because they say you should have good sugar levels. I'll be getting tattoos today, depending on what they say. Let's go! $3 tattoos, let's go! Let's hope that they let me film in here. If they don't, I'll be kind of sad. But it's okay, I understand. But I think they should. Okay, let's go in. Ah! I'm so scared about what my mommy's gonna think! We're all getting one. Let's go!
Mine also healed.
Nice. They look good. Are you gonna change it?
Yeah, I need to get the smaller bar.
Okay, vlog, here we are. There's our 3 tattoos. Yeah. Locked in. That's all I'm thinking. That's what I'm most nervous about. Not even tattoo. I'm scared about my mother killing me. Yeah, I did check it out first.
Yeah.
I feel like,
Yeah?
yeah.
Liking it?
Yeah.
One thing, she ain't gonna be able to tell you to take it off.
Exactly. Hey, she had a kid at 19, I'm getting a tattoo at 20. Come on. Come on.
I want to eat it. Hot pot's gonna be good.
Shit. Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Literally between my legs.
Honestly, you think it's a lot worse than what it is.
Yeah, truly, you do. It kind of feels like a toothbrush. It does.
That's cool and crazy.
The toothbrush?
Yeah, it just feel like a toothbrush.
Yeah, it really don't feel like nothing. Okay, vlog, all done. She's there. I feel great. I feel like a cool guy.
You're a cool guy.
I feel so cool. I'm cool like you guys now. I'm tatted up. That's gonna be so cute. Of course, we're saving the best for last.
Are we?
Yours. You with all your shading? Can we request them to play? Request a song for you?
Can I have Zoom?
ain't no way Kris Jenner wrote that.
You're in the part.
Maybe we should get that tattooed. You're not even the part.
You're not even the part.
Yeah, I mean that is like a joint, so.
Yeah. The little porcelain.
So cute.
Yeah.
It looks really good.
It does.
Yeah, I like it too. I think it looks really good. Okay.
Officially have my Jonestown tattoo.
Yeah. Let's go, Jaden. You're gonna kill it. Vlog. Minty's designing my tattoo. Oh shit. We got Walmart Beyonce in here. Let's go. Oh my gosh, stop. Walmart Rihanna and Beyonce. I got the big forehead for it too.
Shit is from a pop live that we
This
can't
song
see.
playing with him and him.
It's so fitting.
He was born this way. Hey y'all, we're still here.
When you see me at Barricade, I will be screaming my head off. And I will get Barricade. Number two.
They're both gonna be red.
Maybe I might make this one pink then.
Ooh.
Pink and red. You know?
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
on this side I can do red.
Yeah. Y'all, they playing Jaden's song up in here.
Beautiful.
This one hurts more because it's next to the other one.
That's great.
All good. I hurt mom. Okay, vlog. We're done. What are our thoughts overall? Are we happy?
Yeah.
I'm
I'm definitely happy with my tattoo.
Me too. I'm very happy. For my first experience, I thought it was really good, actually. That's like the one thing I was kind of scared about was the fact that it wouldn't have been a good experience.
Yeah.
And then like, because a lot of people like they'll have a bad experience and they'll get permanently put off by tattoos, which I don't think that would have happened to me.
The tattoo artist, he wasn't that bad. Like,
He was really nice.
Yeah.
one, he was nice, and two, he wasn't heavy-handed. Because
Right.
heavy-handed, that shit would have hurt like a bitch.
Right.
You would have been like, oh, this is pain. I'm in pain.
Yeah.
I think my second one definitely hurt more than my first one, but that's just because it was next to the first one.
Vlog, I'm so dumb. I forgot to show you guys. I already watched it. I already watched it for the first time. Well, okay, here it is. There they are. What I did, I bought a bar of Dove soap, which I've been meaning to buy for like ever. And then some Aquaphor. And yeah. Still haven't told my mom yet. I don't think I'm gonna film her reaction. I might film her afterwards, but I'm just really nervous that she's gonna hate them. I showed my mother. Again, didn't film her reaction. She doesn't like me on camera. She said that she liked it. She was a little like, they're not real, but they are real. So yeah, that's it. Bye.